Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. Now, our today's video is going to be important as well as interesting for all you guys. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss the following points, that is work from home mandatory for 3 days in TCS for all the employees, freshers or even experienced. The next point is adherence to rostering is mandatory for all. Then we will discuss about the non-compliance will be taken seriously by TCS, that is the TCS management. Then we will discuss the 2025 model, what exactly this is and what this means for all the employees. Okay. Then we will discuss about the notification or the email that was sent by TCS to all the employees who are working from Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, and Kolkata region. And they have sent an email that you have to come to office and you have to work for at least 3 days. Then we will discuss about the Wipro company that recently fired 300 of its employees who were found moonlighting for competitors. Okay. Then we will discuss about Infosys as well, that Infosys has banned its employees who will be leaving Infosys and joining competitors. Okay. So there is an agreement or the bond that was assigned by Infosys for all its employees. So we have an important question for all you guys. Please tell us in the comment section, what do you feel about this point? Should IT companies make peace with moonlighting and freelancing? What is your take on this point? Okay, because IT employees are getting less amount of salaries in the service-based companies, and that is the reason why they have to moonlight or they have to freelance to meet their needs. Okay, because they have to earn some extra money because the inflation and everything is going on and on. Okay, so what is your take on this? Please let us know in the comment section. After that, we will also discuss about the future of work from home in TCS along with the 2025 model. Okay, so recently Modi ji, our Prime Minister, gave a speech, and in that speech he said about the work from home model, why it is important. Okay, so we will discuss about that as well. Now, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section and we will definitely answer all your questions. Okay, please like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, this is an article that was published by Money Control on 22nd of September, that is yesterday around 7:20 p.m. in the evening. Okay, and it is saying that TCS asks employees to work in office for at least 3 days a week, and that is mandatory now. So here you can see that TCS has asked employees to work in the office for at least 3 days a week according to an internal mail shared with employees. Here you can see that senior leaders of TCS have been working from the TCS offices for a while now, and their customers are also visiting the TCS offices. Your respective managers will now roster you to work from the TCS office for at least 3 days in a week. Okay. And the company said in the email that adherence to the roasting is mandatory and will be tracked by management. Okay. And any non-compliance will be taken seriously and administrative measures may be applied. Okay. So you might have already received a mail from your managers or the IT team that you have to come to the office back. Okay. Or the HR as well. Now, since TCS is a $25 billion company, a part of Tata Group, confirmed that most of its senior associates already work from the offices or client locations. Okay. One more important point to highlight over here is that all the employees have been advised to return to the base locations where they were operating before the pandemic. Okay. And those of you who have recently joined TCS, for them, the locations that you have been assigned, you will have to report over there. Okay. And here it is mentioned that those employees who have sought and got transfers will operate from the changed locations. So if you have changed your location, okay, after the pandemic or during the pandemic, then you can go to the new location that is assigned to you. And if you have joined as a fresher and you have changed your location or you want to change your location, okay, so we have made an entire series of location change at TCS. You can go and watch that videos and then come back over here. Okay. One more important point, I will give all the links in the description. You just have to go and watch the video. One more important point that you should note over here is that though there is no deadline to return to office plan, TCS advised employees to contact their managers immediately to understand the arrangement made for the project with regard to return to office. Okay. Now, if you don't know about what exactly rostering is, then please mention in the comment and we will make a video on that as well. Okay, what exactly rostering is. We are also going to answer one of the most important questions that we get in the comment section, that is, I want to continue work from home but my manager or HR is forcing me to return to office or work from office. So what should I do in this case? We have a solution for you guys. We will discuss that as well. Now the solution is very simple. You just have to prepare a strong case of work from home. Okay, you can tell that you are a single mother with a few responsibilities. Okay, or you can tell about your parents' illness, your own health issues, or you are a single mother, you are a single husband, or your family is living away from you, and all these reasons you can give. Okay, and get your work from home approved. So the second point is that you have to build a very good rapport with the client, that they want you to be in the project in any case. Okay, so you can easily negotiate work from home with your technical leads or even your project manager. Now the last point is that you can get a release from the current team, okay, and find other project where you have permanent work from home with the help of your RMG. And getting release is very heavy task, remember guys. But in this case, if you really want to work from home, then you can definitely ask for a release from this current project and get a project which will offer you permanent work from home at TCS. Let us discuss the next point, that is the 2025 model and the future of work from home in TCS. So the first point in this case is that TCS has something around 6 lakhs employees globally, and it has reported an attrition rate of 19.7% in the first quarter itself of the financial year 23. Now, this is the highest in the last 6 quarters. Okay, so its net addition of employees in this particular quarter was 14,000 people. Okay, compared to the last quarter, it was 24,000. So the employee addition is reduced. One more important point that I would like to highlight over here is that TCS aims to provide work from home to 75% of its employees by the year 2025. So this is basically the 2025 model. Okay, so only 25% of the people after 2025 year, they will be working from office. Rest 75% of the people will be working from home. So this is the future of work from home in TCS. This is their plan. Now, despite our PM's emphasis on flexible workplaces, the work from home ecosystem, and the flexible working hours, it seems that companies are in a no mood to extend the work from home policy. Now, these are the points for our today's video. If you have any further doubts, please ask in the comment section. We will definitely answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment.